Hey everybody, I'm gonna do something I don't normally do. This is the first time ever, but I'm so excited I just had to share it with you. So I am unboxing something today. This is a device that my neurologist actually recommended to me when I mentioned to him that I have been having a really hard time singing lately and that I have been singing at all lately. I mentioned that I've been having a hard time with this bronchitis. It's been lingering for like a month and a half now. You can tell even now that I'm having a little bit of difficulty breathing. My sentences end up being pretty short. I had to like take breaths in the middle of them. That's partially just because I'm excited, but also because I just have not gotten back the lung capacity, and I pretty much always struggle with my lung capacity. It was on my last lung function tests. When I mentioned to him that like I've been holding my arms above my head because of something that he had suggested one day when I was having a hard time breathing in his clinic, he mentioned something called the breather, and I was like, the breather? It's kind of funny because that's what I called my BiPAP machine, but no, this is actually called the breather. And this one, he stopped right then. He looked it up for me. It's called the Breather Voice, and it is for singers. He said it will retrain you to breathe. I don't breathe properly, but he said like it will retrain the palate in your mouth too, which is awesome because sometimes I'll have to just scratch a singing day because my voice will get very nasally, and when that happens, I feel like, oh, there's nothing I can do about that. It says it's a respiratory muscle training device. The Breather Voice is an innovative respiratory muscle training device designed to improve breathing support for performance, including strength, range, and stability. This new device is based on 40 years of clinical success from the Breather. Breather Voice and the accompanying Breather Coach app are for professional and amateur vocalists, instrumentalists, and professional speakers and actors. Start noticing benefits after your first week of use. So let's open it up and see. My nails are not going to be sharp enough. Let me get some scissors and let's open it up and see what's inside here. They have, they have the breather. They also have, this is for people with neuromuscular diseases. It's also for people without those diseases, but they have different levels of difficulty or strenuousness. They have one for people with neuromuscular diseases who are athletes, all the way, I think that's like the most strenuous one, all the way down to like just people who have neuromuscular disease and want to be able to just have the coach, the breather, to start being able to be a little more active than they are. So I'll be right back with the scissors. Okay, let's see here. Obviously not returning this. Improves voice intensity, extends vocal range, increases breath support. Before you get started, please activate Breather Voice to unlock all of its benefits, such as training tips, discounts, and support. Just go to their website to activate now. And it looks just like this. Interesting. I bought mine off of Amazon, but you can buy it directly from the manufacturer, and you can get different packets with different goodies. Like they had a really cute carrying case with one. And it also comes, I have no idea what this is. It's another, looks like another piece to be inserted somewhere. And the two sides of it say inhale and then exhale. And there are different settings around. So, and it's got steps. Let me get out my computer. All right, so I just found out that activating the device just means giving them your information so that your warranty is activated, and you can also download the app. I will as soon as my phone is free. And that this piece is the other mouthpiece. They say use whichever one is comfortable for you. And that for the first session, you should have both sides, the inhale and the exhale, set at 1. And then to take 3 sets of 10 breaths and do 2 sessions a day, the morning and the evening, and break for 30 to 60 seconds between sessions. So you're not supposed to bite on it. You're just supposed to put your lips around the mouthpiece, and that you're supposed to be in the zone. And I've got this nice little picture here to show you on a scale of 1 to 10. In the zone should be between a 6 and an 8. All right, so I don't know how else to figure out which mouthpiece feels better than to try them out. So I'm just gonna give it a try by breathing on it. Forceful effort, it says. Sitting up straight. Here we go. Okay. It doesn't feel bad or anything. That's not super, like, stressful or weird feeling. Let's try a smaller mouthpiece. See what that feels like. Oh. I guess there's only one way to put it in properly. Yeah, I like, that one like hit me in the chest. I'm like, oh, yeah, I think I like the other mouthpiece better. So for the time being, I'm gonna start on that one, and we'll see how my voice does, how my breathing does, how everything does in they said you should notice a difference after a week or two. So mark the date. If you have one of these or you rush out and get one right now, let me know. Let me know what was it that made you get one, and how you like it, and how it's going for you. And good luck, and wish me luck too. I really am really hopeful for this. All right, take care.